important to pay close attention to the social atmosphere during the middle of September, because this highlights how we relate. But in particular, this eclipse will definitely highlight a shift in the social dynamic. Now look, if this eclipse took place any other time, I wouldn't really say much, but it's taking place during an election cycle. That can be very alarming, because in Astrostetics, Libra governs politics, relationships, partners, others, deals, contracts, equilibrium, discussion, the viewpoint, relationships, equilibrium, once again, relatability, relatives, beauty, peace, harmony, the social design and the social construct, cinematography, photography, alignment, and most importantly for this season, Libra can also govern voting rights. This can also govern your voting rights, okay? And remember, y'all, everything that I'm saying is in this 500-page book, Astrostetics. Make sure y'all get it right now. And this also goes into why this eclipse is crucial to the worldwide social construct as well. You might see some shifting in the finances, because if people can't agree or they're perceiving resources differently, there can be major differences of opinion on the world stage. So make sure y'all pay close attention to opposing parties, because that's also what Libra governs in Astrostetics. The secret to Libra is the point of equality, and you can remix it however you choose to, but Libra is always going to be about relativity. What are you relating with? Who are you relating with? Who are you relating to? And Libra is an air sign, so it's inquisitive, curious, and ultimately perceptive. Essentially, this is also a time when people really gonna reveal how they truly feel about you. But that's because you're noticing it in yourself. Now look, if we have an annular eclipse in Libra, that means that one of the nodes are on the other side. So we're gonna have the North Node in Aries. The North Node and the South Node, they're always across from each other. Always. And this is also where change can occur in the department of self-advancement, focusing on self. And some people may even make strong advancements in healthcare, how they take care of themselves. And actively, some people will be focusing on these things for a long run. So that personal energy that people can pay attention to, they can also put that towards how they deal with others. So you can see a lot of alteration in the social dynamic with how people deal with each other. Now, y'all, we're going to do more videos on this, but make sure y'all check out our next video of what exactly happens during an eclipse. Now, we did a previous video on it when we were speaking about the Great American Eclipse. And once again, all eclipses involve the sun, earth, and the moon, or the sun, moon, and the earth. But anytime you're dealing with an eclipse, make sure y'all go on to easycomplex.com, amazon.com, barnesnobles.com. Check out the description of this video and pick up a copy of the 500-page sensation, Astrostetics, the Aesthetics of Astrology. Thank you. Particular, as we mentioned, it's kind of like